Welcome to Kamit Kitchen. If this is your first time to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell. Today's recipe is a very ancient recipe and cooked in the villages in Egypt in clay pots and cooked in different ways. It's rich baked rice or الرز المعمر. It's very rich with flavor and calories too, but still divine. All you need for this recipe is 2 cups of Egyptian rinsed white rice, 3 cups of warm fresh full cream milk, 3 tablespoons of fresh cream, 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee. You can add up to 3 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. First, put the rinsed rice in a deep clay pot, then add the salt, sugar, black pepper, and nutmeg. Add the butter and oil, then mix it well with your hands to be sure that the butter covered all the rice. Then add the yogurt and cream, mix well, and add the warm milk. Some people prefer to use 1 cup of broth instead of 1 cup of milk. Others bury inside the rice pre-cooked chicken or beef or pigeons. Others prefer it as a sweet rice and put white sugar and vanilla instead of salt and pepper. You choose what suits your taste. I'm just giving you the steps, tips, and tricks. Stir the rice with the milk well, then put it in the oven on 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. In the middle of cooking, just take it out and stir it so that the rice doesn't stick to the bottom. After the rice is cooked, put it under the grill until it gets a golden brown, nice color on top. Now your baked rice is ready. You can eat it with molokhia and fried Egyptian chicken. You will find the molokhia recipe in my channel and the link in the description box below. If you like this recipe and want to know more Egyptian recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell.